Marvin Minsky, the co-founder of MIT's AI laboratory, liked to say the word intelligence is a suitcase word. You open the suitcase and it's full of things like consciousness and perception and intuition and instinct, and each of those is a suitcase filled with more concepts that are just as poorly defined. AI is the same. When somebody says artificial intelligence, they might be referring to one of many types of algorithm solving lots of different problems. The industry joke is that AI is anything we don't think a computer can do. Play chess, beat a human at Jeopardy, at Go, at video games, at folding proteins. But once it does, it's just another piece of everyday software. Spell check? Ancient history. Let me do a search on my phone with my voice? Didn't we always have that? The term artificial intelligence can cover a lot of ground, and I want you to see how different categories of AI fit underneath that big umbrella or in that suitcase. Let's start with how machines are learning to hear, or natural language processing. Voice search on your phone or conversing with smart speakers is a lot harder than it sounds. That's natural language processing, or NLP. NLP can turn speech into text, text into meaning, and then derive sentiment. That means the machine can tell the difference between your voice and background noise. It translates your voice into text and can work out what you're talking about. Then it can wondrously suggest that this sentence expresses a positive feeling. It knows that you like natural language processing. Text, meaning, sentiment. And this process also works in reverse to allow the machine to imitate human speech so that you and Siri or Alexa can carry on a productive conversation. Hey Siri. What is the temperature in Honolulu?
It's currently 73 degrees in Honolulu, Hawaii.
Thanks, Siri.
Don't mention it.
Now, what about self-driving cars? They need computer vision, another form of AI. Computer vision lets you ask your phone for photos you've taken of dogs or people or at the beach. Computer vision can recognize a company logo on social media, even at an odd angle. Computer vision gives you augmented reality, superimposing rendered image onto the real world, as well as virtual reality, engulfing you in a whole nother world altogether. So computers are getting better and better at seeing and hearing, but what about thinking? Well, that's where machine learning comes in. It's at the heart of so much of artificial intelligence. The learning part of machine learning is based on the fact that you tell the machine what you want done rather than telling it how to do it. You want the machine to find all the cat pictures on your phone? It can handle it. In the old days, you would have had to look at every photo yourself and add the word cat to each picture that has a cat in it. Today, you give the machine a bunch of examples of cats, and the machine can figure out which of your thousands of pictures include a feline quadruped. You told the machine what to do, and it figured out how to do it. So practice recognizing what type of artificial intelligence you're interacting with on a daily basis. Talking with Siri, using Google Maps, talking with customer service chatbots. Try to determine if it's natural language processing or computer vision, and whether machine learning is powering that interaction, and consider pursuing that field that interests you the most.